Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Baigani and Cauliflower Pakoras. I have taken 2 brinjals and cut up in this piece, and the cauliflower also is cut like this. So if you like my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe now that I'm going to make, and it is very tasty to eat, and it will serve as evening snacks. I've taken besan here, about one small bowl. Now I'll mix the besan, make the batter, get it ready, and then I will make the Baigani and the cauliflower pakoras. So first of all, I have taken the besan. Now I will put some chili powder, some jeera powder, 1 pinch baking soda, salt to taste, now I will make the batter. Mix the besan well. The batter is ready. Not very thick, not very thin. Now I'll keep this aside and put up the pan. There is oil in the pan. I will add some more oil in this. The oil is turning hot. Now I'll dip in the brinjal. And fry the brinjal. Dip it in the basin and then put it to fry. The Baiganis are turned nice and brown. Now I am going to take it out. Same way I will put the cauliflower also. Dip it in the basin and then put it. Cauliflower pakoras are turned brown. Now I'm going to take them out. Cauliflower pakora and Baigani, that is made from brinjal, is ready to eat in the evening with tea. Put some sauce, put some chaat masala on it and eat it. It will be very tasty. Thank you for watching my video.